Good morning and happy Wednesday. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries back with another virtual kids program. So this week you can pick up a STEM take and make kit to make some symmetry snowflakes with me. So in your kit you have a lot of Q-tips and you also have 3 pieces of felt. And then at home you are going to need some glue and you might also need some scissors. So symmetry, being symmetrical, means it is the same on both sides. It's a mirror image of the other half. So when you make a butterfly and you do the butterfly wings, if you're making a craft, you could just fold it in half and cut out the butterfly wings because they are symmetrical. They are the same. And you will find that in nature as well. So another part of nature that is symmetrical is snowflakes. So snowflakes are mirror images. If you fold them in half or look at half of them, they would be the same on each side. So we are going to make symmetrical snowflakes. So I'm going to start by gluing one whole Q-tip down the center of my felt piece. And you can glue your next whole Q-tip on top, or if you have a good pair of scissors, you can cut it in half just so that it glues more easily. It's not going on top of that Q-tip. It'll glue better if it's on either side. So I'm going to try to cut it exactly in half so it's as symmetrical as can be, and I'm going to try to glue it exactly down the half of that other Q-tip. And I put quite a few Q-tips in your kits, so you should be able to make 3 nice symmetrical snowflakes using a few different Q-tips for each one. So I'm just going to use, I think, 4 Q-tips for my snowflakes, but there's certainly enough Q-tips that you can make bigger, more beautiful snowflakes for your project. So this is my 4th Q-tip. If you want, you can kind of fold it in half, and it breaks pretty easily if you just fold it as well, and then that will stay pretty symmetrical. All right, I think I have a pretty symmetrical snowflake here. So the right side looks pretty much exactly like the left side. And 2 more pieces of felt to have some more fun doing symmetrical snowflakes with your Q-tips. And grown-ups, if you're watching, please come by the library this week as well. We have another take and make kit for you to make marbled embroidery, and that video will be on Friday. Have fun!